In today's generation, there are numerous ways to make money. Millions of people around the world now have access to thousands of opportunities that are just within their grasp. Do you have any idea what that one huge opportunity is? It's none other than making money on the internet. This video will provide all of the necessary information regarding this highly effective money-making strategy. This is really fantastic for a variety of reasons. Not only can you do it from the comfort of your own home, but you can also do it if you are a beginner. There are no skills or prior experience required. Simply ensure that you have a functional gadget and a stable internet connection. These are the essential factors for success. And you can access this entire thing from anywhere on the planet. It serves practically every country on the planet. So, no matter where you're from, this strategy is ideal for you. This is going to completely blow your mind. The entire procedure is completely free. That's correct. There are no expenses, payments, investments, or levies. With all of the great qualities, I'm confident you're already hooked. There's no way you're going to ignore this entire process. So there's only one thing I ask of you, and it's actually rather simple. To completely appreciate the entire approach, simply watch this video till the very last second and never jump ahead. But first, welcome to Make Money Online, where you can learn how to make money online. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and that the notification bell is turned on, so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video on how to generate money online, and you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any issues, questions, or comments about it. Let's return to the video now. You're probably wondering what this strategy is, but first, let me give you something that will undoubtedly motivate you to work even more. This strategy can help you earn a massive amount of money, up to $750. This is nearly $1,000. So, without further ado, let's get started with the very first website, Warrior Plus. You can tell what Warrior Plus is all about right away. Your profit is our business, as they say right here. So let's continue reading. Warrior Plus is a sales and marketing automation tool. They also operate the most popular marketplace for digital entrepreneurs and internet marketers. Now, let's clear some things out regarding Warrior Plus. It's an affiliate marketing network that focuses on the internet. I'd like you to scroll down a little bit and look at these 4 key advantages of joining Warrior Plus. The first step is to automate sales. They already have all of the tools you need to sell your products to people all around the world swiftly and easily. Second, they have tens of thousands of partners. Use their network of marketing partners to jumpstart your business by generating sales for your own digital products and services, without the hassle. Thousands of instructional and software goods to assist you in growing your business or promoting as an affiliate. Finally, effective tracking. Always be aware of your statistics. People claim that they have the best tracking and reporting system they've ever utilized, which is accurate. Now you can browse the page further to have a better understanding of the platform. Everything you need to know is right here on this page. So, if you're interested, go ahead and read everything. So, once you're satisfied with all of the details you've come up with, it's time to go on to the sign-up procedure. Overall, the registration process is simple. Everything can be completed in less than 60 seconds, so expect this to be a stroll in the park. Now look to the upper right corner of the page, where you'll notice a red button that says Free Sign-up. I'd like you to click that, and you'll be taken to this page, where you may start the sign-up process. Simply enter your email address, password, and username. Then proceed to the CAPTCHA by checking this box to demonstrate that you are not a robot. Once you've finished, there's nothing left for you to do except to press the continue button and you're good to go. Because it's so simple, it's already done in a moment. This is the dashboard of your new account. The first thing I want you to do is go to the affiliate section at the top of the page. You'll be directed to this selection of categories at the bottom of the website, and I want you to click on the one that says Offers. After clicking that, you will be transported to this page, where you can browse hundreds of Warrior Plus offers. Keep in mind that these offers will be the products you promote to others in order to increase your earnings. Take a look at this now. Everything about this is fantastic. It makes your life much easier because you can examine the numbers that correspond to an offer right away. The date of release, sales, conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, and refund rate are all visible. These are all critical statistics for determining which offer is best for affiliate marketing. You can look through all of the deals to get the best one for your marketing. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video so far. Let's return to the video now. So, to save you time and effort, go to the search bar right here where it says offer title or keyword, type in free. After you've completed that, you'll see this affiliate offer called FE Unleashed Free Sales Machine. And let me tell you, with these incredible stats, this offer is a behemoth. Without a doubt, this is the best offer to promote. So don't waste another moment and click request now. You'll be taken to this page, where you can now access your affiliate link. However, you must first complete the approval request form. Simply click this request approval button and you'll be taken to this pop-up window for the request notes. It might state that it is only an option. However, I would like you to complete this in order to expedite your application as a whole. Simply put, something like introducing yourself in a smart and professional way. Then I want you to utilize all of your knowledge and creativity to come up with a visually appealing body for your entire message. Simply make sure it includes all of the important aspects, such as your wish to work with them as soon as possible, and conclude with your final greetings and thanks. Once you've done that, they'll now approve you and you can start spreading the word to as many people as possible. So, how will you go about doing that? That's exactly what we're going to figure out right now. So pay attention and remain tuned. I'd like you to go to listjoe.com, which is the major website for our money-making operation in terms of traffic development. ListJoe is a platform dedicated to content production and internet traffic, making it a socially beneficial email marketing website. People can come in your door as soon as they view your website in as little as 5 minutes. Simply follow these 3 easy steps and you'll be ready to go. Let's start with the first step. Register for a free account. Simply click this yellow button to be routed to this page, where you may now formally begin the registration process. Simply provide your initial name, preferred username, password, and email address. After you've finished filling out these forms, tick this box to indicate that you agree to the website's terms and privacy policy. Then all you have to do now is start using this strategy. As you press the yellow button labeled, Send My Ad Joe, you should now view your dashboard. So just go to the left side of the page and click on this part that says Send Mail. It will take you to this website, where you should scroll down a little until you see this question asking you how much credits you wish to spend. Simply enter 1,000 and then scroll down until you reach this section where you can add your ad information. All you have to do now is insert your Warrior Plus affiliate link into the link input area with a relevant subject. Finally, develop the email content for the material. Simply write a few phrases encouraging others to join you on your adventure. Encourage them to click on the link you provided, and you'll both make a lot of money online. When you think about it, you're able to aid these folks with their own endeavors, so it's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. On the other hand, you have the opportunity to make a lot of money quickly, easily, and efficiently. That concludes the discussion. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and that the notification bell is turned on. I'll see you in the next video.